Looking to advance your career in the oil, gas, or drilling industries? The ProQual Level 2 Award in Understanding Drill Bit Technology and Applications is your gateway to success. ProQual is an awarding body that is recognized and approved by ProQual to develop and award qualifications. Inspire College of Technologies is a proof training center of ProQual. In just 1 to 3 months, with 30 guided learning hours, you'll gain the essential knowledge and practical insights needed to master drill bit technology. This qualification is ideal for drilling technicians eager to deepen their expertise, engineers expanding technical knowledge in drilling operations, field operators and maintenance personnel enhancing performance and safety, entry-level professionals building a solid foundation, project managers and supervisors improving project planning and execution. Don't just work in drilling, excel in it. Enroll today in the ProQual Level 2 Award in Understanding Drill Bit Technology and Applications and take the next step toward your future. For registration or more information, please visit www.inspirecollege.co.uk or www.ictqual.co.uk. Call us on 442035764371 or WhatsApp us on 44744139671. Email us at info@ictqual.co.uk.